Hello everybody. So can anyone please tell me how can we travel through water? We travel through water. How we travel through water?
Swimming. Swimming.
No, without doing swimming. We can another ways transportation I am asking.
बोलो.
A boat, ship.
Yeah. Okay. So this is basically that prototype of that motorboat. It is particular. It is motorboat. It is a motorboat, and we through with the help of this we can travel through water. So this is so this is the design which I have used to make the motorboat. So basically, what this has done here is the two motors which I have used, and I have put some metal plates so that when it's revolve, so it can push the water. Hmm? And I have some DPDTs. When I switch on the DPDTs and move the motor in the same direction, and both of them in the same direction, it moves forward, and which is creating out of line motion, and through which the motor is pushing back the water and moving forward. And same we will do this with backwards. And when we have to turn, we put one motor here in this direction and another in this direction, through which this motor is pushing the water through this, and which can make turn. So the motorboat will turn into the water. So from the water, yeah.
नहीं नहीं, ये तो भी राइट टर्न ही होगा, लेफ्ट टर्न कैसे हो?
लेफ्ट टर्न भी सेम ही होगा. जब ये वाली इधर मूव कर रही है और ये वाली इधर मूव कर रही है, उसके थ्रू अपन का लेफ्ट टर्न होगा. अब टर्न के लिए अपन आउट ऑफ लाइन मोशन यूज कर रहे हैं.
What is out of line? You said out of line. What does that mean?
When we are moving the motors, both the motors in different directions, which creates the out of line motion, and through which the motor turns.
Out of line forces you mean?
Yeah.
Out of line forces draw करके बताओ कैसे?
Like this is the water. And when we move the motorboat in this one motor here and this motor in this direction, so it basically turns, and which creates out
What
of
are
line.
out of line forces? What are out of line forces का क्या मतलब होता है वो कुछ? What do you mean by out of line? आप बार बार यूज कर रहे हो ये वर्ड, तो I'm expecting कि you should know, वरना यूज क्यों कर रहे हो ये वर्ड? क्या मतलब होता है out of line का?
Yeah. We can say that this what here's the water. When we push the water, this I told, yes, this same direction it creates out of line motion. And out of line motion is out of line motion is where the forces do not meet each other.
Do not meet each other, so how that would be?
Like this.
They are like this, exactly.
Yeah. This will go, and which will create the force, and it will
They are
move.
not in the same line of
Yeah.
action.
And inline motion is just opposite of that, and inline motion meet with each other, which creates pushing back of water, and the motor moves forward and backward.
No, if they are in line, they will cancel each other out, no?
Yeah.
So according to you, are you saying that when this boat has to move forward, then forces are in line with each other or out of line with each other when it has to move forward.
Hmm.
There are forces according to you in line at that time or out of line.
According to me, it is out of line.
अगर in line होती तो क्या होता?
इनलाइन होती तो ये आगे ही नहीं बढ़ती मोटर, कैंसिल फोर्सेस कैंसिल
Forces.
होती है, उसकी वजह से मोटर स्टिल रहती है एक जगह पर.
Boat is still right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can show you the working of this, but
Yeah, we can do it without water. It's okay.
when I turn on this DPDT, the move the this motor moves like this. See, it is moving like this, from which it and then when I on this one motor and they move in same direction as this motor, so the motor the this will create the out of line motion and the boat will move forward. Hmm? And when I both the motors in different directions, like this one and like this one in this direction, so they this motor will create push back the water in this way, so we can so it will turn right side, and when we are doing with this and this here, so it will move left side. Hmm? So from which in both the cases we are creating out of line motion, so that the motor can move forward, backward and left, right. Any questions? Yeah.
Is there a limit or like the weight that we can put in the boat?
Yeah,
Like,
there's a limit. So we can check that the limit. I know what's the question you are asking. We can check the limit by experiments, second and trial, like putting something on weight, and then if the at the limit of that weight, the motorboat will not able to move easily forward, and it will take and it will easily drown.
yes, my question was drowning. So it depends on weight that it will drown.
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर हिट एंड ट्रायल करोगे तो वो बोट अगर डूब गई तो फिर उसको वापस कैसे लो?
No, this is only a prototype. First we will create test with the prototype, and then we will execute it in the real one.
I again want to confirm that it depends on weight whether it will drown or not, right?
Yeah.
Then how does a big metal boat not drown? Big ships, they are made out of metal. They are like in a bucket, same volume of bucket. Metal is more heavy than this wood, and big boat, more weight is in the big boat.
Yeah.
More weight is used. So why does it not drown?
So and so they use a limited amount of metal, or they can use another metal which looks like the iron or something. So they can use also the lighter metal to create in comparison of other metals, and then see the weight how much weight it is able to float, in which weight it is able to float.
हमारे रिसर्च वर्क में आर्किमिडीज था. आर्किमिडीज,
Yes.
ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट.
Okay.
Why does anything float? आंसर इज देयर. व्हाट ही इज आस्किंग इज कि अब मेटल तो डूब ही जाता है, फिर एक मेटल की शिप कैसे फ्लोट करती है, वो ये पूछ रहे. And it's not the weight that counts, it's the density that counts. We've understood mass and volume and relationship between them.
Yes.
So that the answer lies there. You're completely off the track in this case. Do you remember? Do you have any idea what Archimedes was and how things float, why things float, and why some things do not? ये floating पे question पूछ रहे हैं ना?
Yes.
Okay. Anything?
Can't remember the Archimedes.
Okay. How will you increase the speed of this or control the speed of this boat?
By the power of the battery. We are using.
Is there any way I do not have to use more electricity to increase the speed if somewhere is मैं कॉस्ट नहीं बढ़ाना चाहता. आई डोंट वांट कि मेरी कॉस्ट बढ़े और पावर का मतलब और बैटरीज लगाऊं. नहीं.
So,
Is there another way I can increase the speed a little bit maybe?
so we can use solar panels, from which they create solar energy and
तो अगर रात में ट्रैवल करना है फिर
what?
रात में ट्रैवल करना है तो
रात
रात में ट्रैवल करना है. रात में तो सूरज नहीं होता ना, सन नहीं होता.
But solar panels store their energy, no? So we can use them.
solar cells, use little bit of solar cells, but it will still be an increase of cost. I have to put that cost, and plus solar panels are big. पूरी पता नहीं, maybe हो सकता होगा, maybe well, that's a solution, that's a good one, but it would be a cost, right?
So,
It would be a cost, isn't it?
yes.
Without putting in more cost, can I do something? Maybe change a design in some way. If we can do that,
For increasing the speed of the motor without using much
speed of the
electricity.
boat
Yeah.
without using any extra cost. Yeah. Repeat it, what you said.
Right now we don't have any solution for this. But
Why can't you just streamline it? आगे streamline shape बना सकते हो.
yeah,
This will help.
yeah, this can help.
This can help.
Because it will cut the ocean currents.
It will act as a wedge.
Hmm?
Wedge.
Yeah.
It will act as a wedge. What is a wedge? Simple machine, remember? Wedge. Anything which is conical in shape.
Yeah, conical in shape, and which in motorboat we are using it to cut out the ocean currents, so that in less power, less electricity, we can move further speed. We can have extra speed.
Will this boat also work in water currents? I mean, अगर water is still है, जैसे lake है, तो उसमें तो कोई problem नहीं है. But if I take it into a river, and river already has a lot of water flowing here and there, how will we manage that? It will not go straight, right, where I want it to go. It will drift with the water in different directions. Will it?
So in that case, in this way are the ocean currents, and we are moving this way, this side.
We want to move this side.
Yeah, and there is a spot we have to go. When the ocean currents are pushing the boat here, so we can manage the power from one motor. Like if they are pushing here, so we will manage the power from this motor, and which will lead to our point where we have to go. And if there are ocean currents here, so it can also in this motor we can manage the power.
So it's not necessary to rotate the both motors with the same speed.
Yeah.
We can change the
yeah.
speeds and we can manage the direction. Okay, that's great. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Anything?
Any questions? Yeah.
आप एक ही मोटर से टर्न कर सकते हैं.
Switching one motor, can only one motor help you turning the boat?
Yeah, it can help. We can switch off this motor and then just move it like this. So the water will push it like here. The same state will be there only. The same.
लेकिन ये तो वाटर पीछे पुश कर रही है, तो फिर ऐसे राइट लेफ्ट टर्न चलेगा.
I told you now, out of line. Due to out of line, this is motor switched off. This is here, and only from one motor there is coming the push. So the boat will go this way only. It cannot go this way.
Why? That will be why.
You put something, वो जो आपका sponge है वहाँ पे साइड में, उसको रखो साइड में and ask him to push it from one side. दिख जाएगा उनको.
I can't understand.
जो तुम बोल रहे हो, वो उनको करने के लिए बोलो. वो sponge है तुम्हारा.
हाँ.
इसको यहाँ रखो. Now ask him कि एक साइड से पुश करो.
इधर से पुश करो तुम इसको. अब इधर ही जा रहा है. अब इधर तो नहीं जा रहा ना. इधर ही जाएगा वो. So this we can turn on this motor, and this just switch on this motor from which we can turn with, and from which we can turn from only one motor. Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah.
The blades push the water backwards, that way we get a force forward.
Yeah.
Like, so if we take a stand and we put the motor up in the air, and motor is pushing the air this side, so will I still get a force this side?
I don't understand.
Yeah, but you're looking at me.
Here's the motor, okay?
Hmm.
Air here, the motor is pushing the air this side, the air is going this side. Like in the blades, it rotates so that water goes in this side. So here's the motor and and it is pushing the air this side. So in case of water, when it was pushing the water this side, you are getting a force forward, right?
Yeah.
So will that same thing happen in the air, that when I push the air this side, I will get a force this side?
Yeah, it can happen. Obviously, it is happening in the water, so it will happen in air also. And in the same question like.
Will I get a better push if instead of using the motors like this to push the water, instead of this, if you change the design and put the motor with the fans up in the air, obviously standing on the board but up in the air, so that it pushes the air and gives me the forward motion, will that be more cost effective? उसमें कम एनर्जी लगेगी तो मुझे फायदा होगा यार.
Yeah, it will. Wind energy will also help in this.
Will it be better than this? Will
Yeah, it will be better than this because we are getting the wind power also and our motor powers also.
No. Either. या तो ये या वो. दोनों नहीं ले रहे हैं. Instead बोला मैंने. Instead of this.
Yeah, it can help.
Yeah, it will help. It will be better than this.
Yes, it will be.
Less energy लगेगा मुझे उसमें.
Yes.
क्या लगता है?
एनर्जी तो लेस
Water वाला
लगेगी.
लगता है. Less energy.
एनर्जी लेस लगेगी लेकिन वो इफेक्टिव नहीं होगा.
No water.
Energy less करने का मतलब ही effective है. कि कम एनर्जी में उतना ही डिस्टेंस जा रहा है तो मेरे लिए तो इफेक्टिव हो गया ना.
मैंने स्पीड की बात कर रहा था, वो स्पीड होना चाहिए.
That's the same effect.
अगर वो ज़्यादा स्पीड दे रहा है तो ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है ना सेम टाइम में. एक ही तो बात है, इफेक्टिव हो गई ना तो भी.
Anybody has any other questions?
Yeah, can we use only one motor to move in all directions?
No, it cannot be happen. I just told na. If we are using one motor, it will push the water
अपने
this
सेंटर
way.
में करेंगे.
Center. How in this we are putting motor? If we revolve this stairs, so it will go this side, na? Not in this side.
यहाँ पे.
मोटर बोट होती है ना, उसमें एक ही मोटर होती है पीछे. एक ही मोटर होती है. तो रडर यूज करते हैं. फिर देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन इन रिसर्च वर्क फॉर रडर आल्सो. Rudder, RUDD or rudder. We can use one motor to do everything. It's just a matter of design. Research work को ठीक से देख के आया करो and everything यार. चलो. Anyways, anything else? Sure. You want to add anything?
No.
Okay. Thank you.